How's it going, guys? My name's Ross Triller and I make videos doing performance modifications to vehicles. In today's video, I'm going to be installing and reviewing a brand new product sent to me by One Car Radio. This product is called the Max AI Box and it converts your wired CarPlay or Android Auto factory touchscreen head unit into basically a high performance smartphone. Let's get into the video. Introducing the Max AI Wireless Carplay Box. Revolutionize your driving experience. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to seamless connectivity with the Max AI Wireless Carplay Box. This innovative device effortlessly transforms your wired CarPlay found in most vehicles manufactured as early as 2014 into wireless Apple CarPlay or wireless Android Auto, eliminating the hassle of wired connections and clutter in your car's interior and upgrading your infotainment system into a modern beast.
Oh my God.
Enjoy the freedom of wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, enhancing your driving experience with seamless connectivity. Max AI Box comes preloaded with a captivating selection of apps like YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and more. Stream your favorite shows and movies right from your car's dashboard. With split screen functionality, you can navigate with GPS, stream music, and catch up on the latest news or videos without switching between apps or screens. Insert a 4G SIM card and Max AI Box enables hands-free calling through the equipped microphone. Keeping you connected on the road, you can also enable Bluetooth tethering on your phone and share your phone's hotspot if you so choose. Choose from 3 interface options to match your car's dashboard with your style and preference, adding a touch of personalization to your driving experience. With the Max AI Wireless CarPlay Box, enable your driving experience with seamless connectivity, entertainment at your fingertips, and personalized customization. Say hello to a new era of driving convenience and enjoyment.
3-star, baby.
3 out of 3. If you guys are interested in this product, you can purchase it from this link or the link down in the description. This is my affiliated link, so any purchase you make through this link helps out the channel and I greatly appreciate it. I also have a 10% discount code exclusive for all my viewers. There's this code right here or in the description. Not to mention, One Car Radio is also running a 30% deal on this product, limited time. You can use that on top of my 10% discount code. So if you're thinking about buying, there's no better time to buy than right now. Thanks again to One Car Radio for reaching out and sending me this product. With all that being said, let's get into the install. All right, so we're opening the box here. We've got a product manual right here. Just got all the different directions and things, basically how to use this whole system. It says before you use wireless CarPlay, turn off your hotspot. Basically all this different stuff that you want to do to get your phone paired up to this device. Here is the Max AI Box right here. This is the main unit right here. It's a mic, plug-in mic that will go into this box. We got a couple different USB things right here for plugging this box into your car system. We're probably going to be using this one because it uses the standard USB. This is the USB Type-C. If you have a newer car, I guess you'd use this. Just turn off the hotspot on the phone. That's already off, right?
Yeah, there's no hotspot on.
So on the little slip right here, it tells you basically the setup of how to get this set up. You want to have your hotspot off and your internet on, but not connected to anything. So if you're at home or whatever, disconnect your internet, but keep your internet on your phone so that you're not using your mobile data. You want to have your internet turned on to connect this. So we're going to go ahead and plug this thing in. Like I said, we're going to use this USB connector right here and just plugs in to the box just like that. Hear it click in. And we'll open the glove compartment right here, or I guess the center console. And the USB is down right here. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So there's the USB. And I don't know if this device is going to light up or what it's going to do. Okay, there's a little blue light right there. Nothing on the screen yet. Need to unpair Tyler's phone from this head unit. So it's connected to Bluetooth.
Okay.
I don't know what that is. I guess that must be it. I think that's it. Has it done that before?
I don't think that's it. Because it's supposed to show...
Okay, so this is the GT6 BT. That is the Bluetooth is for this.
Right.
All right, guys, so we're idiots. Apparently, you press this button right here and you go to home. And that pretty much takes you to this screen. We were on some weird thing. I'm not really sure what it was. Apparently, we got Netflix on here. They have a bunch of different apps that you can go through. And we can just add them, whatever. I'm not really sure.
I want to know what Play Store's on there for. So if I click on Play Store, can I add
So I guess okay, go ahead and sign in.
You don't have a network connection, so you do have to be connected to Wi-Fi. Or Bluetooth tethering. Share phone's internet connection via Bluetooth.
Yes, there we go.
Come on, baby.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
No, we don't do that.
Another 10 cents. Let's go!
Let's go!
Dude, that's awesome.
Hold on, can I record? Will it let me record while I'm doing this?
Is that not monetized? Why didn't I get an ad? Alright, we're downloading Clash of Clans. Yes!
Okay. Load. Oh my god!
Well, let's see how the attacking is. The touchscreen on this is not the best. Oh, that guy sucks.
I haven't attacked in a while, by the way, so don't judge me.
3-star, baby. Is that what you give this product?
3-star, baby.
3 out of 3. Perfect. Boom.